Good morning, everyone. In the previous class is discussion about what is the meaning of projectile and what is the meaning of trajectory, what is the examples, how to show that the path of a projectile is parabola. The projectile means, first of all, the projectile. What is the meaning of projectile? The body is projected vertical direction in presence of vacuum, in presence of air, is called projectile. The examples of the projectile means the football kicked on the ground. The direction of the ball is vertical direction. A firing of bullet from gun. The direction of a bullet is that is a linear or vertical direction. And the ball hit by a bat. Ball hit by a bat. The direction of a ball is that is a vertical direction. These are the examples of projectile. And what is the meaning of trajectory? Trajectory. The trajectory means the path. Path means that is the length. The length of a line. The path of a projectile. The path of the length of a projectile is called trajectory. Huh? This is the difference between projectile and trajectory. In the previous classes, already discussion about how to show that the path of a projectile is parabola. This is a draw the first projectile diagram. It is represented by projectile is two coordinates. It is one is x coordinates, one more is y coordinate. It is the initial body. O is the initial body. When a body is projected vertical direction, the speed of the body is it is a v naught. Initial velocity is v naught. It is resolved into vertical and horizontal components. It is a x and y directions. That is a the final distance of the projectile body is a initial final position is p of xy. That is theta is the angle between the horizontal line and initial, that is a vertical direction of the body. It is a resolution of a vector. The O, the initial, this line can be represented by resolution of a vector. The resolution of a vector means what? It is the vector, it is resolved into two different vectors, that is called a resolution of a vector. One is a v naught is the initial velocity, v naught cos theta, that is a horizontal component, and v naught sin theta is a vertical component. These two components called rectangular components. This is a representation of projectile diagram graph. First to find the, by using a horizontal component, find the time taken to reach the projectile. By using a kinematic second equation, we will get finally that is the t is equal to time is a, that is a time is equal to x divided by v naught sin theta. By using a horizontal component, write the solution part of a horizontal component, and you'll get finally that is a t is equal to x by v naught sin theta is called the time. By using a vertical component, first write the initial velocity, time, the along a distance, and acceleration. We'll get one equation. The equation number 1 is substituted in this equation. We'll get finally that is y is equal to tan theta x minus g x square divided by 2 v naught square cos square theta. When assume that capital A is equal to tan theta, capital B is equal to g divided by 2 v naught square cos square theta, that is y is equal to, that is a is as it is, tan theta can be written as capital A, x is the function, g by 2 v naught square cos square theta, that is called b, x square is as it is. This equation is called parabola equation. Y is equal to ax minus bx square. This equation is called parabola equation. This is the final equation. This final equation in the form of, that is a parabola equation. The path of a projectile is parabola. This is the already in this concept is discussion about in the previous classes. The path of a projectile, the projectile is, it is a consist of four different parameters. One is that is a maximum height. maximum height. That is the symbol of the maximum height is capital H, the sufficient of max, maximum. See, in this diagram shows what is the, this is a projectile diagram. What is the distance between final, that is a horizontal line to, that is the maximum height of a projectile. This is called H maximum. First parameter is H, that is a H maximum. That is a, the H maximum is maximum height of a projectile. First of all, what is the meaning of maximum height? The maximum height means the maximum vertical distance traveled by a projectile. That journey is called what? That is a maximum height. This is a very important. Four parameters is very important. Definition is that is asking to 1 mark question, and derivation is each one is 3 marks question, and previous derivation is also important, 5 marks question. Maximum height means, see, this is the representation of maximum height. The maximum distance, the maximum vertical distance traveled by a projectile. This journey is called what? It is a maximum height. This is a vertical direction. How to find in vertical direction? In vertical direction, first to write what is the solution part of the vertical direction. See, the vertical direction means what is the initial velocity of the vertical direction? That is a v0 is equal to v0 sine theta. This is the vertical direction. Initial velocity is v0 sine theta, and it is a vertical direction means the acceleration due to gravity is, that is a acceleration is freely falling body. That is a freely falling body. That is a is equal to minus g. What is the final velocity? There is no final velocity. That means it is assumed that v is equal to 0. The distance of horizontal line to maximum height of a projectile. What is the distance? It is taken as, that is the distance s is equal to h maximum. H maximum. Now what is the relation between v and v0 and a and s? There are 3 different equations of a kinematic equations. The solution part is related to the kinematic third equation. The kinematic third equation. The kinematic third equation is, that is v square is equal to v0 square plus 2as. The kinematic third equation is v square is equal to v0 square plus 2as. The v is the final velocity, v0 is called initial velocity, as a is a acceleration, s is a displacement. Substitute in the above solution part in this equation. That is, the initial velocity is 0, the final velocity is, that is, the square is there, v0 square sine square theta plus 2 into the acceleration can be written as minus g, the s is can be written as h maximum, or v0 square sine square theta plus into minus 2g h maximum. Simplify, find the value of h maximum. The v0 square sine square theta is equal to 2g h maximum. That is the LHS is equal to RHS, or RHS is equal to LHS, or 2g h maximum is equal to v0 square sine square theta, or h maximum is equal to v0 square sine square theta by 2g. This is the expression for the maximum height of a projectile. H maximum is h max means maximum height of a projectile, where v0 is the initial velocity of a particle, theta is the angle between the horizontal component and the vertical component, vertical direction of a particle. G is called, that is a acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration due to gravity means that is a freely falling body is called acceleration due to gravity. This is the concept of what? That is a first parameter. What's the definition? After the final equation, explain the each term. After the final equation, explain the each term of in this equation. What is the h maximum? What is the v0? What is theta? what is g. This is the 3 marks question is very important. And the second parameter is time of ascent and time of descent. Time of ascending, ascending, and time of descent, time of descent. The symbol of the time of ascent is small t, small sufficient a, and the symbol of the time of descent is small t sufficient d. That is the symbols of time of ascent and time of descent. See, what is the first of all definition of a time of ascent? The time of ascent means time. What is the meaning of time? The time taken to complete one oscillation. That is called time period. Vibration. Oscillation means that is a circle or vibration or oscillation. The time of ascent means the time taken by the projectile. See in this diagram, what is the time taken to in this maximum height? What is the time taken? This position to final position of a maximum height of a projectile. The time taken by the projectile to reach the maximum height of a body. Maximum height of a body. That is called time of ascent. TD. TD means time of descent. The time of descent means it is also time. The time taken by the projectile reach the next minimum distance, minimum height of a body is called time of descent. This is the difference between a time of ascent and time of descent. Once again, the time of ascent means the time taken by the projectile to reach the maximum height of a body is called time of ascent. The time taken by the projectile to reach the minimum height of a projectile is called time of descent. Both are this is a vertical direction. Both are, that is a vertical directions. In vertical direction, that is the initial velocity can be written as v0 sin theta, and the time can be written as the time of ascending or time of descending. The final velocity is taken as 0. The final velocity is taken as 0. What is the relation between v0 and v and t? By using the kinematic first equation. The kinematic first equation. What is the kinematic first equation? That is a v is equal to v0 plus at. The acceleration is what? The acceleration, it is a vertical direction, means it is a freely falling body. A is equal to minus g. This solution for substitute in this equation. The final velocity is 0. The initial velocity is v0 sin theta plus the acceleration is minus t. Time, first write the time of first find the time of ascending, small ta, or v0 sin theta minus tag, or v0 sin theta is equal to tag. Find the ta, that is a ta is equal to v0 sin theta by g. This is called time of ascending. ta is equal to, that is a weight, ta is called time of ascending, v0 is called initial velocity, theta is the angle, g is called acceleration due to gravity. Similarly, find time of descending, as it is same, that is a v0 initial velocity sin theta by g. The total time can be, the total time is given by sum of the time of ascending, sum of the time of descending. The time of ascending means, what is the equation? That is a v0 sin theta by g. The time of descending can be written as v0 sin theta by g. That is a 1 v0 sin theta by g, 1 v0 sin theta by g. That is called 2 v0 sin theta by g. That is the called total time. T. Total time is the total time taken to reach the projectile. That is called total time or time of flight. The time of flight means it is the total time that the projectile remains in a air is called time of flight. This is the expression for capital T is equal to 2 V naught sin theta by g, or the time of ascending, time of descending means the time of ascending is a V naught sin theta by g, the time of descending means V naught sin theta by g. The sum of the two, the sum of the time of ascending, time of descending, that is called total time. Okay, now this is the second parameter. Time of ascending, time of descending, this is called second parameters of a projectile. Next, the third one is time of flight, that is also called total time, time of flight. Same as it is same equation, time of flight. The symbol of the time of flight is capital T. As it is same equation, but by using a kinematic equation is different. The time of flight means, that is the third parameter, the total time taken by the projectile remains in air. The time of flight means the sum of the time of ascending, time of descending, that is called time of flight, or the total time taken by the projectile remains in air is called time of flight. It is also called vertical direction. That is also called vertical direction. First write the solution part. In vertical direction, that is a V naught is equal to V naught sin theta, A is equal to minus G, small t can be taken as capital T. The distance is a 0. That is the relation between V naught A T S is the kinematic second equation. The kinematic second equation. By using this method is also okay. Or similarly one more method is, this is called time of flight. The kinematic, by using a kinematic second equation is S is equal to V naught T plus 1 by 2 AT square. S is equal to V naught T plus 1 by 2 AT square. That is a S is a 0. The V naught is called V naught sin theta. The small t can be written as capital T plus 1 by 2. The acceleration due to gravity is minus G. The small t can be written as capital T square. Or the V naught sin theta capital T minus 1 by 2 G capital square. Or the V naught sin theta capital T is equal to 1 by 2 G capital T square. 1t get cancelled. 1t get cancelled. Find the t, or simplify this equation, that is V naught remaining V naught sin theta is equal to gt by 2. Simplify, or 2 V naught sin theta is equal to gt, or capital T is equal to 2 V naught sin theta by g. This is the expression for time of flight or total time. T is equal to 2 V naught sin theta by g, where g is called acceleration due to gravity, theta is the angle, V naught is called initial velocity, capital T is a time of flight. Capital T is called time of flight. This is the concept of this is the time of flight, total time. And the last parameter is range. Range is called, that is the symbol of the range is capital R. That is a distance. Range means that is a distance. See, the projectile previous, this is the projectile, this distance, the horizontal distance, that is called capital R. This distance is called R. That is a range. See in this diagram, this is a projectile diagram. Initial body V naught, this is a projectile. The P of, that is a theta. This distance is horizontal distance is called, the horizontal distance is called range. How to derive? First, what is the meaning of range? A range is defined as the maximum distance traveled by the maximum horizontal distance, the maximum horizontal distance traveled by a projectile is called range. The maximum distance traveled by a projectile in horizontal is called range. In horizontal direction, how to derive? The horizontal direction means, what is the initial velocity of horizontal direction? This is the horizontal direction, that is a v naught cos theta. That is v naught is equal to v naught cos theta. And small t is equal to capital T, that is the time. Already that is the third parameter, time of flight. Capital T means total time, that is a 2 v naught sin theta by g. And S is a distance, that is what is the distance? That is a distance is capital R. The acceleration, the horizontal direction means the acceleration is 0. What is the relation between this equation v naught t s and a? By using the second equation, the kinematic second equation, the kinematic second equation. The kinematic second equation is given by, that is S is equal to v naught t plus 1 by 2 what? V naught square, that is 8 square. S is equal to v naught t plus 1 by 2 8 square. S, what is the value of S? Capital R, okay. V naught is called v naught cos theta. Capital small t, the small t can be written as, that is capital T must be is equal to 2 v naught sin theta by g. Okay na? Plus, as it is, 1 by 2. A value is 0. Capital T is, that is square is there, that is 2 v naught sin theta divided by g whole square. Totally this term is 0. Why? The acceleration is 0. The product of 0 on any term is, that is a 0. Simplify this part. That is capital R is equal to, that is a v naught 2 v naught into v naught square 2 cos theta into sin theta by g. But the 2 cos theta into sin theta is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. That is a trigonometric formula. 2 cos theta sin theta is equal to, that is the standard formula, sin 2 theta. That is the standard formula. That is the range is equal to, the range capital R is equal to v naught square. The 2 cos theta sin theta can be written as, that is a sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta by g is as it is. This is the expression for range of a projectile. Range of a projectile, where capital R is called range, v naught is called initial velocity, theta is the angle between horizontal line and vertical direction, theta g is called acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. This is the expression for range. Therefore, once again, the range is a fourth parameter. That is the symbol of the range is capital R. The range is defined as the horizontal distance traveled by the projectile is called range. There is a one more question is very important. The expression is also the range is defined as the horizontal distance traveled by the projectile is called range. How to derive the range? First, to write the solution part of a horizontal direction. V naught is equal to v naught cos theta. Small t or capital T can be written as, in previous derivation, time of flight is 2 v naught sin theta by small g. The distance is along a horizontal direction, that is a horizontal direction means that is a range. The horizontal direction means what is the acceleration? That is a 0. The acceleration is a 0. By using a kinematic third equation, the second equation, S is equal to v naught t plus 1 by 2 at square, or the capital R is equal to, S can be written as capital R, the v naught can be written as v naught cos theta into the time is 2 v naught sin theta by g plus 1 by 2 acceleration is 0. Write the time value. Time value. That is the 0 into any term is that is a 0 in this product. Then remaining terms is that is a v naught into v naught is there, that is a v naught square, and 2 is a constant cos theta sin theta, but by using a trigonometric formula 2 sin theta cos theta, that is a sin 2 theta, that is a standard trigonometric formula. Therefore the range is equal to v naught square, that is a 2 cos theta sin theta can be written as sin 2 theta divided by g. That is r is the range, v naught is called initial velocity, and theta is the angle, g is called acceleration due to gravity. This is the concept of range. These are the first parameter is maximum height, the second parameter is time of ascending or time of descending, the third parameter is the time of flight, and fourth one is range. This is the concept of the 4 different parameters of a projectile. This is the concept, overall concept of projectile. Now once again, the first parameter is maximum height. The maximum height is defined as the maximum vertical distance traveled by the projectile. That journey is called maximum height. That is, a formula is the maximum height formula is, that is h maximum is equal to v naught square sin square theta divided by 2g. Next, the second parameter is time of ascending. The time of ascending means the time taken by the projectile to reach the maximum height is called time of ascending. That is, the formula is ta is equal to v naught sin theta by g. The time of descent means the time taken by the projectile to reach the minimum height of a body is called time of descending. That is, the formula is, that is a td is equal to small t small sufficient d v naught sin theta by g. The both are same equation. The sum of this time of ascending, time of descending is called total time. That is also called time of flight. This is a third parameter. But the derivation is different. This is the another method. This is called one more method by using a second kinematic equation. But the equation is as it is same. That is the same. The total time and time of flight, both are equations is same. That is, a capital T is equal to 2 v naught sin theta by g. That means the time of flight means that sum of the time of ascending, descending. That is called time of flight. And range. What is a range? The range means the horizontal distance traveled by the projectile. That is called range. That is, the formula is capital R is equal to v naught square sin 2 theta by g. This is the 4 different parameters of projectile. Okay, thank you.